With amazing color display of plumage charm, the birds of Eden are more than just nature's living aesthetics. Many hold teachings for the humble at heart. The phrase "like dove eyes" depicts the peace, kindness, and honesty her eyes convey. Yet many women have guilty eyes. They have seen too much. Mythically referred to as the carrier of good news, the hummingbird depicts fashion, graceful charm, hope, and faith. Like fine wine, the eagle, focused, strong, redefines itself as it gets older, shedding old feathers for new ones. Known as the caring bird, the robin is warm, pleasant, and accommodating. Character maketh a woman. What bird to emulate is for you to decide. The Hummingbird by Body-Lawson.